I'm Joost from Kids Toy Studio and I'm here today with Uno Junior, the Paw Patrol edition. So this Junior version really is for smaller children. You can play this with a kid from 3 years and up. I think the carton could have been like a little bit more sturdy, but other than that, this game is awesome. Now, it is such a good game for younger children because there are 3 modes that you can play. So you can of course do the full version, but you can also do the beginner and the intermediate level. With the beginner, you just take out all of the special cards, like this one. So you only have the numbered card with colors. In the intermediate version, you add back in a few of the special cards, like the skip, the reverse, and rainbow card. With the full version, you can then add in the plus cards. And we actually decided to make like an intermediate version with the plus cards but without the reverse card, because that's a little bit more of a difficult concept for 3 or 4-year-olds. So these 3 levels of play make sure that it's suitable for a 3-year-old and it can grow with you along their game journey, because they can look at the number, so it's great for them to recognize numbers, but they can also just look at the image, because every 8 has the same rider boy or the same dog. So they can also just look at the pictures and the colors, so they don't need to be able to know the numbers, but it's fun to gradually integrate those into the game. Okay, so the goal here is to draw a hand of cards and then be the first player to play all of their cards. Now you can play the same number on the same number, so a 7 on a 7, and you can play of course cards with the same color, but if you don't have a card to play that turn, you have to draw one, so it takes longer to play your full hand. Then there are all these special cards like a rainbow, which allows you to choose any color you want. You have the reverse card, which changes the direction of the game. You have the skip card, which skips the turn of the next player. And you have the plus cards, +1 or +2. And when you play one of those, the next player will have to draw 1 or 2 cards. So with our younger son, we still play an open game, so we leave our cards open for everyone to see. But ultimately, the goal of the game is to keep your cards hidden, so no one can see what type of card you have. But that just makes it easier to play with smaller children.